situation there, Isaiah. Look, had to back that one all the way up because this one wants to get back. Wait, it wants to go back here and avoid that crash. Wait just a minute. Oh. Whew, now.
Okay, boys, say cheese.
Cheese. Look at her.
You say cheese too, Granddad.
Cheese. Cheese.
Smile right, Isaiah, and be still.
Cheese.
You too, Granddad. Quit horsing around, Granddad.
Cheese. Tell me.
Okay, ready? Cheese.
Cheese.
Got it. Okay.